A clear software comparison starts now. An AI voice will continue the walkthrough. Blueberry structures its pricing around two clear account models, keeping costs transparent and execution focused rather than layered with confusing add-ons. The standard account rolls all trading costs directly into the spread, with spreads starting from around 1 pip and 0 commission applied. This setup is designed for traders who prefer simplicity, predictable costs, and not having to calculate per trade fees. The minimum deposit sits at a reasonable level, making it accessible without pushing traders into over-leveraging just to qualify for better pricing. For more active traders, Blueberry's Raw account is where pricing becomes more aggressive. Spreads can start from 0 pips, with a fixed commission charged per lot traded. This structure benefits scalpers, algorithmic traders, and anyone running strategies where tight spreads and execution consistency matter more than simplicity. Importantly, both accounts maintain the same leverage limits, minimum trade sizes, and instrument access, so traders are choosing pricing style rather than being locked into different trading conditions. Feature-wise, Blueberry strongly emphasizes platform flexibility and execution quality. Traders get access to MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, TradingView integration, and Blueberry's own proprietary Blueberry X platform. This broad platform support allows traders to operate however they prefer, whether that's classic desktop trading, browser-based access, or advanced TradingView charting combined with live execution. The broker supports over 300 tradable instruments across Forex, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, offering breadth without overwhelming the platform. Execution reliability is a core part of Blueberry's positioning. The broker highlights low latency order routing, deep liquidity access, and full support for expert advisors and automated strategies. Risk management tools, demo accounts, and educational resources are available, but the overall experience is geared more toward traders who already understand execution mechanics and want clean infrastructure rather than heavy handholding. On the pro side, Blueberry consistently earns praise for fast execution, tight raw spreads, strong TradingView integration, and highly responsive customer support. Traders frequently mention smooth withdrawals, professional account handling, and trading conditions that align closely with what's advertised. The availability of multiple platforms without feature restrictions is another major plus. On the con side, traders on the standard account may find spreads less competitive compared to raw pricing brokers, and beginners may feel slightly under-supported compared to education-heavy platforms. Some users also note that advanced features are best appreciated once you already have trading experience. CapTrader operates in a very different category, acting as a full-service brokerage built for serious investors and advanced traders who want true global market access rather than short-term CFD exposure. Pricing at CapTrader is based on low, transparent commissions instead of spread-based markups, which immediately separates it from typical retail trading platforms. Order fees are generally flat and highly competitive across stocks, ETFs, options, futures, bonds, and other exchange-traded instruments, making it especially attractive for investors placing larger orders or trading frequently across multiple markets. One of CapTrader's strongest pricing advantages is how well costs scale as trade size increases. Whether you are trading a few thousand or executing significantly larger positions, commissions remain predictable and do not balloon with volume. There is no hidden platform markups built into prices, exchange fees are clearly disclosed, and currency conversion costs are transparent. This structure strongly favors disciplined traders and long-term investors who want institutional-style pricing without needing an institutional account or minimum balance requirements. From a features perspective, CapTrader offers access to more than 1 million financial instruments across dozens of global exchanges in North America, Europe, and Asia. This includes direct ownership of stocks and ETFs, advanced options strategies, futures, funds, bonds, and multi-currency trading. Unlike CFD brokers, Assets are held directly in custody, which is critical for investors focused on ownership, dividends, and long-term portfolio growth. Account structures are also highly flexible, with individual joint, family, company, managed, cash, and margin accounts available. This makes CapTrader suitable not just for individuals, but also for families managing multiple portfolios, companies investing excess cash, and investors planning across generations. The trading platform environment is professional grade and designed for depth rather than simplicity. Users get access to advanced order types, portfolio analytics, real-time market data, margin and risk management tools, and detailed reporting. This is not a beginner-focused app experience. It is built for users who want precision, control, and the ability to execute complex strategies. For those who prefer a hands-off approach, managed accounts are also available, allowing clients to benefit from professional portfolio management without committing to traditional mutual funds. On the strengths side, CapTrader excels in global market access, consistently low commissions, broad asset coverage, and sophisticated tools that support long-term investing and advanced trading strategies. It is particularly well suited for options traders, diversified investors, and anyone managing complex portfolios across multiple regions and currencies. The ability to hold assets directly rather than relying on derivatives is a major structural advantage. That said, there are drawbacks. The learning curve is steeper, especially for beginners. The platform interface and feature set can feel overwhelming if you are new to investing, and there is less emphasis on step-by-step education compared to beginner-friendly apps. CapTrader assumes you already understand how markets, orders, and risk work, and rewards experience rather than simplicity. In terms of reputation, Blueberry holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.7, with customers frequently mentioning fast withdrawals, responsive customer support, and competitive spreads. Many reviews highlight smooth funding processes and quick resolution of issues. CapTrader holds an even higher Trustpilot rating of 4.9, with users consistently praising low fees, access to global markets, and professional-grade tools. Customers often comment on the platform's reliability, cost efficiency, and suitability for long-term investing and options trading. Final takeaway: if you are an active trader focused on speed, execution, and tight trading costs for CFDs, Blueberry is purpose-built for that role. If you are a serious investor or advanced trader looking for direct market access, transparent low commissions, global diversification, and powerful portfolio tools, CapTrader operates in a completely different league. The key is choosing the platform that matches how you actually trade and invest, not how brokers market themselves. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest trading platform breakdowns, and click the link below to access the broker that truly aligns with your strategy, experience level, and long-term financial goals.